Hi, it's Rachel here. I just wanted to show you I have a new DigiKit. A while ago I was asked to scan my embroideries, not my doilies, the ones that were more white or ecru sort of color or cream. So I've done that. I've got them in two sizes. So there'll be this larger size here. So that's a 3-page PDF. And then there'll be, oh no, is it 4 pages? I think it's 4 pages, sorry. And then there'll be another PDF with this smaller size here. I've printed these on cream regular copy paper, just so you can see there. And then I've already cut some out over here. I also printed them on high quality white paper as well, so you can see those. And then I've got some already cut out on the copy paper. These are the smaller ones, so you can get an idea of the size. And they're really cool to use, especially as background. And these, I used them quite a lot in my Christmas journal that I worked on with Sarah. And like you could put a heading on your page on those, or they're really nice on tags. Do I have a tag here anywhere nearby? I don't think so. Just let me see. Like you could put them, say there. So I think they're really cute. They're already sized for you. And then you'll also receive the JPEG file as well. Like they'll be zipped, so that way you can have them any size that you want. Now, some people are working with their iPad and can't unzip files. In that case, most have contacted me. Please contact me and I can email you the JPEGs if you want the original sized files. So I'll just show you quickly the ones that you'll get. So this one was really old. It had all sort of old markings on it as well. And it has a wonderful pattern. And then this one here. Now these two could also be printed full page, and then you could have them as a page in your journal. Well, all of them could, but these are great. These would nearly fill up the whole page. Or you could have nice pieces to tear up and use as backgrounds. And then these are very nice to put in as journaling spots, or print them on cardstock and have them as flip overs, or slip them into a pocket. Use them to decorate things as well, and the same with these. So these are the slightly larger size. So I tried to, when I do the PDF, I try to do them in a size that you might not be able to achieve if you just use your printer settings. So whereas then you'll get the JPEGs and you can do them 4 to a page, 2 to a page, 9 to a page. You could do, so I love these. See these, I've got that one in 2 colors. So that's the same pattern, but 2 different colors. I really like that. And I didn't print these on a high quality setting. It just came out draft. So these are printed draft. I need to actually print them out from the JPEGs, and then they're slightly more detailed. Yeah. So these are the smaller ones. So these are sizes that obviously you probably wouldn't be able to achieve if you did 4 to a page, or 2 to a page, or 9 to a page. So that's why I do a couple of JPEGs, PDFs as well. So thank you for watching. I hope you're all enjoying the 100-day project. I've had a few hiccups with my videos these last few days. I now have managed to join 2 videos together, because you'll see today's one is loading up, or will have loaded up by the time I load this video, and it actually stopped at about 32 minutes. So I was pretty annoyed about that. You didn't see me do finish one project off and do the other project, but I've added 2 videos together, and I did one of them again and showed you what I did, how I finished off the other one. So I hope you're having a great Sunday, and I will see you again soon. Bye.